how to allow codex dependencies. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll show you how you can enable codex to automatically download or fetch all of the dependencies that it requires. So instead of you having to set this up, codex can automatically set up any of the dependencies, especially with Node.js, that it feels practical. So let me show you how you can enable this from codex settings. First, head to the settings of your codex application. Now within the settings, you can see this configuration option right here. Click onto the configuration, and within the configuration, you can see under the workspace dependencies, this option that says codex dependencies. Enabling this allows codex to install and expose bundled Node.js and Python tools. So if you will enable this, anytime codex needs any particular Node.js or any Python tool, it can easily download those particular dependencies required for running any particular Node.js or Python tools. So this saves a lot of effort and a lot of time for the user. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.